Jerry, with our Motor Trend certified vehicles, you get 6 months of paintless dent repair. Now, that doesn't mean much to most people, but let me ask you a question. Have you ever had the occasion to come out to your car after having been at church or a restaurant or a shopping center and found that someone had rudely dinged or dented your vehicle?
Yes, I have.
How did it make you feel?
I was pissed off.
Let me ask you this. Did you look into how much it would cost to get one of those little dings or dents fixed?
Yes, I have looked into it.
And how much was it?
It was $60 to $70, and I've had it done.
So you have had it done?
Yes.
Okay, you're an exceptional human being, Jerry. Most people don't, although everybody ends up paying for them sooner or later. So you understand the value of paintless dent repair. Because for the next 6 months, Jerry, whenever that happens, I hope it never does, but you and I both know it probably will because there's a lot of rude people out there. For the next 6 months, anytime you get a ding or a dent, you can be rest assured that that ding or dent that can be fixed using the paintless dent repair process is going to be taken care of at no cost to you. Now, here's how it works. Okay, if you get one tomorrow, don't dial the 1-800 number and race off to the paintless dent repair place. Wait until you got a couple of them because you're only going to get 2 visits to the paintless dent repair place during those first 6 months. But each time you go in, they will fix every single ding and dent on your horizontal or vertical panels that can be fixed using the paintless dent repair process. So you could literally get 6, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. I hope you don't get that many, but if you did, we would fix them all. And Jerry, if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than 6 months, you can always extend this coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years. Check with Corey and he'll show you how to do this, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's how you handle the customer who actually has had a ding or dent fixed. Most won't. This time, when I ask you the question, I want you to tell me that no, I've never even thought about looking into that because I know insurance. My deductible's $500, and I ain't going to turn that into insurance.
Yep.
Okay. So, Jerry, when you find it so that someone's rudely dinged or dented your vehicle, well, what do you do?
Pissed off and cussed.
Okay. Did you look into how much it would cost to get those little things fixed?
I didn't mess with it.
Okay. Jerry, you're like 99.8 literally percent of the people. You get mad, then you go on about your business. You don't even look into what it would cost to get those fixed. By the way, a dime-sized ding or dent that can be repaired using the paintless dent repair process is about $50 to $60. If it's as big as a credit card, which is about as big as the paintless dent repair process can handle, it's about $150. However, Jerry, you didn't look into getting it fixed, nor did you get it fixed, but you end up paying for those dings and dents anyway. You know how?
How's that?
Jerry, when you go to trade your car in, when you go to sell your car outright, it doesn't matter. Whoever is looking at your car is going to do a tally. If you've got 4 or 5 of those and they're small, they're going to deduct $200 from the value of your vehicle. If you got 10 and some of them are bigger, they're going to deduct $600 or $700 from the value of your vehicle. So everybody pays for those dings or dents sooner or later. Now, here's what we're going to do for you. We're not only going to lower your cost of ownership by fixing the dings and dents for the first 6 months at absolutely no cost to you, we're also going to raise your resale value too, because the fewer dings and dents you have when you go to trade or sell it, the more your vehicle's going to be worth. We reduce your cost of ownership, we increase your resale value, we're going to lower your total investment. And look, Jerry, if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than 6 months, make sure you check with Corey. He'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3, 4, even 5 years, okay?
Okay.
This is how you create value in paintless dent repair. If you do not tell the type of story I just told, the customer is not going to see the type of value in paintless dent repair that they otherwise could.